In this video, we're going to go over how to do the Homestyler Dream Furniture Plan assignment. I have the rubric right here, so this is the criteria we want to follow. It says create your floor plan using homestyler.com. You can choose if you want to do a living room, bedroom, theater room, etc. Just make it your own space and follow the requirements below. So really we're doing a floor plan and a furniture plan here. If you have 2 windows, 1 door, some furniture in there, enough to make it feel complete, flooring picked out, a colored wall or some sort of wall treatment, and efficient use of all elements and principles of design, you can get 100%. If you're missing 2 of those elements, that's only 75% of the project value. And if you miss 4 of these things, then you're going to get 50%. So you want to make sure that you're getting all of those things when you do this assignment. Let's talk about how to do the assignment. So we're going to go to homestyler.com, and you're going to make an account here. I already have an account made, so it's going to look a little different as I sign in, but I'll try and walk you through what it looks like for you so that you understand what you're doing. You're going to click Start Designing for free, and again, this is homestyler.com. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take a second to load here. Mine is going to look different. When yours finally loads, it will show a few login options. I'm already logged in, so it doesn't give me the login options, but it'll give you the options to like type in an account or to use different things. You're going to use the Google account. So click on the Google option, and then it will have you choose a Google account, and you're going to choose your school account. After that, it will bring you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to click I am a student and I am taking a design class. Then it will, which I've already done, it'll try and get you to do this free gift thing, which we don't really want. So you're just going to close that because we don't need that. Now you are in here for your making your design. So you can create a design here. I'm going to start by creating a room. Again, you can choose what kind of room you're doing, whether it's bedroom, kitchen, theater room, whatever. I probably wouldn't do a bathroom, but if you have a dream bathroom, maybe you want to do that. And you want to make sure it's not too big. I know we're doing dream stuff, but we don't want it to be crazy unrealistic. A good sized bedroom is like a small one would be 12 by 12. A good sized bedroom would be like 15 by 15. So I will probably do that. I'll do like a 15 by 15 bedroom. And it tells you the measurements. To make this, I should have said that. To make this thing right here, what I'm going to do is I just click on Draw Room. And then I'm going to click where I want to start. Just one click. And then I'm not holding anything down. It's just like creating this from one click, and then when I click again, it will set my walls in place. So I'm going to do about 15 by 15, and I will set that in place like so. I'll just click one more time, and that gives me a 15 by 15 space. If I click again, I'm going to make a new wall, and I can just keep doing that. If I want to undo that, I just do Control Z, or there's an undo button up here. I can also create a wall for like my closet right now. So I'm going to put a little closet in, and I'm going to use this other kind of wall option. And I'm going to go about 2 feet from the edge of the wall. And this measured from the edge. So I'm going to do this under one. Anyways, I'll go up 2 feet, and I'm going to go over and make my closet like so. And then that is done. Now I can put a door in. Their doors are right underneath. Again, this is all under the Create Room tab, so I'm just under that Create Room tab. It just automatically opens up to that. But if you don't have that for some reason, then you can get that. I can put my door wherever I want, and I can make it bigger or smaller. Interior doors are usually about 2 feet 6 inches, so I'm going to make mine 2 feet 6 inches. But you can leave it as is if you would like. And I will put one in for my closet as well. I might want to flip that so that my door can actually open. And my closet is kind of weird because I can't actually walk in that closet. So I might need to like put in some sort of, might need to move it up just a little bit. Anyways, I'll probably do, you can play around with it, but I'll put in a little bit of a maybe sliding door here, so that I can get into my closet easier, because it's not really a walk-in closet, it's a look-in closet. So I'll put a sliding door in for my closet here. Now that I have that, I can look through some of the structural things. You can add beams. There's fun stuff. You don't have to do these things, but if you would like to, you're welcome to look through those in the Create Room column. Next thing is the Customize column, and here you can do customize things to your wall. Again, we don't really need to do any of this stuff, but if you want to play around, you're welcome to. Homestyler, another thing you can play around with, but we're not going to do. What we want to go to next is the model library. And in here, they have a bunch of things from actual companies. They're real, like, pieces of furniture that companies sell that you can choose from. And so you'll click on this and it has all these things. We don't really want any of these. You can look through them if you want. But I'm going to go down to where it says structure, and that will pull up a bunch of things for me, like wainscoting, wall openings, doors, different stuff. So if I want like a specific door or window, you need 2 windows into your space. So if I want to find some fancy window, then I'll pick one of these. If it has a $sign, then we can't use it. That's a paid one. But if it doesn't have a $sign, you're welcome to use it. So maybe I'll put this cool window in my room there. And I need another window, so I'll put this cool one over here. Oh, Google's trying. And I can make these bigger or smaller, however I want, as I go through that. There's barn doors, cool things like that. Then when you go into catalog, there's some more things like bedroom stuff. So if I want to get a bed, then I can go and pick a bed from here. Or I can, so if there's one I like, then I can just click it. Or there's like single beds, so if it's for you guys, you could do that. If I like that one, I can just drag it in and put it wherever I want. That's kind of a small bed. It's probably for like a kid, like a little kid. So maybe I'll try a bigger one. There we go. And when I click on it, I can change the material. So you can replace the material, and it will give you some different options for that. A lot of the material is kind of underneath, so you won't really see it. But you can play around with that. I'm going to go back to where I was. If I want to look at my room in a 3D way, I can put 3D down here, or go back to the plane. And I can choose whatever furniture I want. There's finishes like wall colors is in color, and wallpaper and all those things. And it's easier if you go into the 3D for those. If you click on the wall and then you choose like whatever color you want. So we'll go kind of crazy here, and I'll just click on it and it makes my wall that color. So say that's the design that I want. I'm going to go through and create an image for my design. So I'll just do, when I'm all done, I'm going to go to export here. Or actually I'm going to go to render, render. And this is where I can get a picture of my drawing. So here I can zoom out a little bit. This is my room, and it looks kind of cool. I can change what is outside, so I can make it like urban day, or I can make it daylight, outdoor. So I can do whatever I want there. Zoom out. I can adjust my camera so that it's higher or lower. And zoom in a little bit, or make it wide angle. So anyways, I can play around with that. Once I'm done, I'm going to click render. You can also do 2D version if you want, if you prefer that. But I'm going to do this, and I'm going to render it. And it might take, right now it's saying, oh, the camera's in the wall, so we can't render that. But I'm going to render here, where my camera's not in the wall. It's going to save this image. It'll take a second to load that image. So I'll let it load. And it's loading. Make sure you save as you go. There's a save bar across the top. But once that loads, I can go into Canvas. I can actually download it, and I'll go into Canvas and just submit it. If I press Start Assignment and I go to File Upload, then I'll upload the one I downloaded. So let's see if it's almost done. Super close. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna complete rendering, and it'll just keep loading for that. And when I'm here, I can save this. So I'm going to save that so I don't lose my work. I'll go back to my rendered images. This is one from earlier, but I'm going to just download it. So download render, and then it'll be in my downloads. So when I go here and I go file upload, I'm going to choose a file, and I will go to downloads, and that's my most recent download. So I'll upload it here and turn that in. So pretty easy. That's all you need to do, and you're going to submit it, and you are done. Just make sure you follow all these requirements over here for the assignment, and you're good to go.